In this video, I will show you how to download Studocu documents for free legally. Once you're logged into the website, go to the course area and add any course you would like to download. After that, click on the document you would like to download. From here, click on the download button. You will be asked to upload 3 documents to unlock 15 days of premium or get the premium trial. Next, we will create a prompt on any AI platform such as ChatGPT or DeepSeek using the following prompt. I will leave this prompt in the video description. Once the AI has given you the document, copy the document and paste it into an empty Google Doc using Ctrl+Shift+V. Then, you will want to format the document a little by making the title Heading 1. Once you're done with the changes, click on File, then go to Download and choose PDF as the format. Do it for 3 documents. Go back to the Upload section in Studocu and upload the documents. Once uploaded, fill in necessary details. It doesn't matter which section you put it in. Just fill in what you need. Once that is done, click on Next. The documents will be reviewed. You don't have to wait for approval to download documents. Go to any document you want to download. Click on the Download button, and a new tab will open up. Click on the download icon and save the document. You now have 15 days to download any content you want or need. Thanks for watching.